Next, low tide is revealing a few surprises in Poole Harbour. New evidence has shown that artificial rock pools built there are dramatically improving marine wildlife.
The work is part of a £4 million project operated by scientists from Bournemouth University. We sent Richard Slee to take a look.
Well, this might look like a neat row of bathroom basins, but they are in fact a very important part of this project because they're offering refuge to local marine species. With me now is Jess Bone from Bournemouth University. Jess, what is going on here?
So these are artificial rock pools, and we've got 45 of these at Poole Harbour, 45 on the Isle of Wight, and then 24 in Hampshire as well. And they are to boost biodiversity on coastal structures.
And what sort of sea life have you discovered inside these basins?
Yeah, so you can see lots of seaweed on the outside here, some barnacles and some limpets. We've also got prawns as well. There is a crab in here somewhere as well. There we go. The crab just there. We've also found fish in them as well.
And the basins themselves, they're quite special, aren't they?
Yeah, so you've obviously got this pool in the middle here, which is great for sea life at low tide, but also all these cracks and crevices around the outside for little sea snails to hide in and that kind of thing.
And why this part of Poole Harbour?
So this part of Poole Harbour is great for our research because it's a nice straight sea wall that we could bolt all the rock pools onto, and it's nice and accessible on foot as well, so it's perfect for our research.
And that research has been going on for 3 years now. What have you discovered in that time?
Yeah, so we found over 60 species here in Poole Harbour on and in the rock pools. We've seen bass interacting with them. We've seen native oysters in them as well, which was a real delight for us because they are a priority species in the UK.
And the great thing about this is it's accessible. Local people can come and see what's going on, can't they?
Yeah, so this is something that their manufacturers, Articology, have championed. They're not just for marine life. People can come and rock pool in them as well. They can bring their kids down, and it's just bringing nature back into urban spaces. It's really important.
Jess, thanks very much for talking to us. Well, just recently there was an oil spill in Poole Harbour, but fortunately that hasn't affected this project at all.